Hello, trading is closed on October 23rd, 2019. Let's go over our calls. Look for the pattern with the early low. We got that. Tomorrow's pattern has the early high. Doesn't mean you won't gap down first. Yesterday we had a negative pattern. Looked for lower prices. We actually did trade significantly lower in futures after I made the call. And we did start to drop early today, so we got lower prices, but it was reversed immediately. And when you're down almost all night and you start down, immediately reverse it into positive territory, it's a good sign that the selling is dried up and the low of the day is in. Rallied all day, usually it leads to higher prices tomorrow, but the picture's blurred because the all-day rally couldn't clear this late high. Now it might clear it tomorrow, but if it does not, then rallying all day long didn't accomplish anything. Had an ultimate sell signal here. We got the drop. MEJT said the drop was false, would retrace. Said this rally was false, would retrace. Said this blip up was false, would retrace. Said this drop down was false, would retrace. We said last night, that yesterday was an excellent candidate for the end of the rally wave. It still is, but it would have been a lot clearer picture if we had kept on dropping. I thought that this was such a negative pattern yesterday that undercutting the low, yesterday's low would have been enough to seal the top. Now that we have a positive pattern today, an all-day rally, really have to go under this low and preferably close there to seal the top, and that's 29.7631. So here's what I have. Tomorrow's pattern has the early high, could gap down first. Usually the market will rally all day with a high in the final hour. Failure is a straight line drop. Yesterday's pattern was negative. It should have delivered and still may deliver more of a drop than we got. Today's pattern was positive. Usually leads to higher prices, kind of mixed signals, standard rules. Picture would be clarified if we gapped and promptly took out today's low. That would make it easy. Would invalidate the rally from today, keep last night's call for a possible end of the rally leg intact. If we gap under the day's low or gap and take it out fast, the call's clear, we're likely in the wave blue sea down. If we don't do that, the picture is muddied for me, and I'm going to wait for the morning MEJT sequence to play out before risking any money. And that's today's call, early high tomorrow.